Tell me the difference. Corporate law versus bulge bracket investment banking. Go.
It's just night and day. The work that you do is so different. The skills that you use are different. The environments of the jobs are not the same. So for example, even as a summer, I got an office to myself. And so anytime I had a question, I'd have to walk around to the other side of the floor, peek into the office of the associate that I worked with and ask what I needed to ask. Whereas in banking, you just kind of scream across the desk and you're like, hey, I don't understand this. Please explain. It's a more formal environment. It's definitely you're stuck in the office. You write your briefs. It's
Is it more
very
isolating? Would you say it's more isolating?
Oh, for sure. And all the work that you do is at a slower pace. And I wanted something that was very quick. I get to learn every single day. I get to learn on an open floor where people scream things and just by osmosis you learn.